How to change your TikTok category. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your business account category on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok. You should have a business account. Click on those three buttons up there and click on setting and privacy. If you don't have a business account, all you need to do is click on manage account and click on switch to business account. I already have a business account, so now go back and click on edit profile. Now you see the first options, which is about you. Click on the last, which is category. Wait a minute, and now you can change your category. Okay, and click on save. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.